Hello, today I'm going to show you how to see my cabinet drawer. When people move out, they damage it. There's no such thing as a drawer anymore, okay? So what you need to do is buy yourself, it's called tile board. This come in 4 foot by 8 foot. It's a tile board. Alright, I think it's like $15 or something like that. I'm not sure, I forgot. It goes white and something like this. Yeah, if you want to, come on. Yeah. Yeah, you go buy a tile board. And all you need to do is cut it to pieces. See it? Cut it like that. See it? And then after that, you need your glue. You just slide it in. Slide into the hole. Slide this in. Okay, because I'm going to show you how to pop that out. Also, because like I say, it's simple. See it? There's a groove right here that you need to put it in. Okay? There's a groove. You need to put it in this way. So all you need to do is, instead of removing all this out, the railing right here, you'll need to remove the whole railing. It's just a couple of nails in here. That's it. So you got your flat screw. So you pop it out. Now you just remove the nail out. This is they use you can tell right here, they use an 18 gauge. My only 18 gauge is the air. So I'm not gonna bother. Just go and use a 15 gauge. Doesn't really make a difference because they don't put glue on it. Yeah. They're being cheap. And that's it. Keep these two pieces together. This is what it looks like. That's it. Now, once you got that, go do this. As you can see right here, see it? I got that drawer. Slide it in. So you slide this in within the groove right here, see it? And then what you want to do is put a little glue right here. Glue here. Doesn't hurt to put the glue in the groove. There you go. and that's it. See, that's how you fix your drawer. You know? Easy, right? So now I gotta fix 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So 1, 2, yeah, 4 more. Okay, finally finish all the drawer. Yeah. Now all I need to do is sand it and paint it. You know, now we got running drawer, working drawer. If you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks.